Hi, Gabby. I'm sorry that you missed your conference this morning. If you want to meet with me another time, that works. Just go into the conference schedule and see. I think I've got a couple of openings for Wednesday. But in the meantime, I want to give you just a little bit of feedback in regard to the start that you got, okay? So I think the biggest thing right now is what you have here pertains mostly to information about the coronavirus. And we want to delve and take that a little bit further. And so remember what you need to make a point in your essay in regard to freedom of expression and access to information. In the assignment sheet for the essay, these 4 prompts are ways that you can think about structuring your essay. A lot of people have picked this one, number 4. Talking about the false information that's out there, 1. The effects. So, for example, they might talk something about fake news. What is it? Where is it? Right? And then why is it important to maybe you could talk about the effects, right? The effects of fake news on, we could say on countries. Maybe another paragraph might be your point and having two sources for it. Could be effects of fake news on individuals, right? You know, what does that look like? And then your last one could be how to spot it. Kind of that action that somebody could take. And this is just an example, all looking at possibly using that prompt. I'm going to highlight that for you. So this is, again, just an example. It's not something that you absolutely have to do. And then your conclusion is, you know, kind of what have you learned about this? What is your knowledge about misinformation? How has that helped you navigate with everything that's out there? How have you been able to spot fake news? How have you been able to make decisions based on true facts as opposed to false facts? So this is just an example of one of the prompts that you could do, and if you did, what that might look like, and that's that example right there, okay? I hope that helps you a little bit frame how you want to go about this. And one last thing I want to remind you is for each body paragraph, you want to have 2 sources that give you information about that topic so you can synthesize that information together. So again, I hope everything is going well. Let me know if you want to talk, and we'll find a time to meet. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is send you a message with this recording and with this document so you can take a look at it too. Okay? Take care and talk to you later.